the start of the last century, the Kenya-Uganda Railway provided the infrastructure that opened up our country and connected us to the world for trade and tourism. At the start of this century, a new infrastructure is once again opening up our country, connecting us to the world in ways that we couldn't even dream of 100 years ago. This new infrastructure is the Kenya Data Networks, KDN. Kenya Data Networks is a full-service data communications carrier that was licensed by the CCK in January 2003 as a public data network operator with a mission to build a world-class data infrastructure in Kenya. Just as the railway infrastructure carried people and goods back and forth between Kenya and the world, our infrastructure today carries the most important commodity in today's world: information. Information that allows people to be productive at work and enjoy the things that they love to do to make their lives happier and more meaningful. We call this triple play, a term that refers to our ability to carry data, voice and video all on the same network.
Our vision is to be the Pan-African ICT infrastructure provider of choice. Following this vision, our mission is to develop Africa's information, communication and telecommunications industry by providing first-class infrastructure services and to encourage knowledge transfer by promoting research and development in Africa.
Kenya's mobile telephone carriers use our fiber optic networks to transmit data between their base stations around the country, keeping conversations flowing all over Kenya. Every time you say hello on your mobile phone, KDN is there to ensure that the laughter and the joy is not interrupted. Whenever a thought is shared over the internet, a smile spread in a chat message, or a vital business transaction communicated in an email, chances are that it has traveled on our infrastructure.
From its inception, KDN has been very instrumental in implementing innovative data networking services, expanding access to critical information and network technology, identifying business opportunities and providing strategic and business planning to a wide variety of groups.
Whenever you get instant access to your hard-earned cash, spare a thought for the invisible people who make it possible for you to pick up your cash from anywhere at any time. Banks and financial institutions rely on KDN's network to connect their branch and ATM networks all over the country 24 hours a day. Whenever you swipe your credit card or watch satellite television, we are there in the background ensuring that your lifestyle progresses seamlessly from one phase to another.
Our products include point-to-point data links within Nairobi and even different towns across the country as well as the region. We also have a telehouse facility for clients who want to set up a secure disaster recovery program. We have formed strategic partnerships with organizations that are looking for reliable sites to operate from or even for backup. We also offer security camera services to businesses and residential areas to monitor what's happening on the streets as well as highways so they can make informed decisions. Our other products include internet gateway services and of course the Butterfly, which is a lifestyle that symbolizes the freedom and is essentially a brand for the end user who wants to work anywhere and play everywhere.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What's the meaning of
Of all things we do, we derive the most joy from our contribution to the development of our nation's future leaders by providing backbone to the new venture that is connecting Kenyan schools to the internet and the information superhighway.
KDN is not just about maximizing on business. We also want to give back to the very same community that we live in. We are in this for the long haul and are here to stay. So far, we've provided internet connectivity to 20